crumble a...
Are you fucking kidding me?
2 eggs. Mixy.
You got this. No, I don't.
No oil. Nice. You've been making your pasta wrong your entire... Mixy.
LinkedIn? Are you fucking kidding me? Shut the fuck up.
Grab a chuck roast.
Ow, that fucking hurt.
This water to be very...
Get the fuck out of here. What the fuck just happened?
You've been cooking your shrimp wrong.
Whose fucking hair is that?
It's my hair. It blows my mind how many people make mashed potatoes.
What? That doesn't make sense.
So many people make this
Breakfast, Arya. You can say breakfast, right?
I broke fucking both of them.
Tried not to get the fucking shells in there, like my dumbass.
That was pretty easy, wasn't it?
No.
That was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life.
Fuck.
Is that a bird?
I hope that was as cool as I thought it was.
This is how you make tradition. Whipped cream. It's easy as fuck, and it's even cheaper than fucking shit fuck, huh?